हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू चैनल बॉटम सो अकेडमी। चलिए आज से हम अगस्त का करंट अफेयर्स देखेंगे। विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ मेड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अप टू 125 यूनिट्स फ्री फॉर ऑल डोमेस्टिक कंज्यूमर्स? बिहार। Who has taken charge as the new CEO and MD of Hindustan Unilever Limited? Priya Nair. Under what name has the 32nd joint exercise between navies of India and Singapore held in South China Sea? Simbex 2025. Who has taken over as the Deputy Army Chief Lieutenant General Puspendra Singh, who has taken over as the 47th Vice Chief of Navy, Vice Admiral Sanjay Vatsyayan, who has been appointed as the new Director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Thiruvananthapuram, A. Rajarajan, who took over as the Chairperson of Capacity Building Commission under Mission Karmyogi Reforms, S. Radha Chauhan. In its latest India Corporate Credit Trends report released, global rating Fitch rating has lowered India's GDP growth forecast from 6.4% to 6.3%. Who has been become the first state to launch sabbatical leave scheme for government employees? Sikkim. Who got the Swarn Kamal Award for Best Feature Film at 71st National Film Awards? 12th fail. Who won the title of first eSports World Cup chess tournament held in Riyadh? Magnus Carlsen. Who has been appointed as the head coach of Indian senior men's football team by the All India Student Federation? Khalid Jamail. Which awareness week was observed on 26 July? Hepatitis Awareness Week. India received latest aircraft of 16 Airbus C-29 military transport aircraft from which country? Spain. What is the position of India in world in fish production? Second. Where did All India Football Federation and FIFA launch the country's first FIFA Talent Academy for girls? Hyderabad. Whom did South Africa champions defeat to win title in the final match of the World Championship Legends? Pakistan champions. Which has become India's first solar powered assembly? Delhi. Which Indian cricketer's inspiration story is in the book The Rise of Hitman, written by R. Kaushik? Rohit Sharma. On which date National Friendship Day 2025 was celebrated? 3 August, first Sunday of August. Where was 14th Joint Military Exercise Bold Kurukshetra 2025 held between India and Singapore? Jodhpur. Which special initiative of PM Narendra Modi for student has created a Guinness World Record for the highest number of registrations in a month? Pariksha Pe Charcha. India in collaboration India, in collaboration with British scientists, has announced the identification of which of the world's rarest blood group in women from Bengaluru? Crib. Peru-based International Potato Center and the Indian Council of Agriculture Research has jointly announced the availability of which variety of potato rich in iron and nutrients in Indian markets? Biofortified. Which state has become first state in India to impanel sign language experts under Juvenile Justice Act? Punjab. Who became the 107th member country of International Solar Alliance? Moldova. As per the latest World Air Transport Statistics released by International Air Transport Association, India is ranked which among the largest aviation markets? Fifth. Western Railway has resumed its heritage train service on the 155-year-old Patalpani Kalakund line located in which state? Madhya Pradesh. Which famous mountaineer from Arunachal has successfully climbed Africa's highest peak, Mount Kilimanjaro, as per Seven Summits Mission Kabak Yano? First BIMTEC Traditional Music Festival was held in New Delhi, titled Saptasur, Seven Nations, One Rag. Which senior tribal leader, popularly known as Disom Guru and four-time Chief Minister of Jharkhand, passed away? Shibu Soren. Who set the Guinness World Record as the oldest person to climb Japan's highest mountain, Mount Fuji, Kokichi Akujawa? Who has surpassed LK Advani to become longest-serving Home Minister of India? Amit Shah. A devastating flood wreaked havoc in Dharali village of which district of Uttarakhand after cloudburst? Uttarkasi. Parliament has approved the statutory proposal to extend the period of president's rule in Manipur for how many months? 6 months. Which politician who was governor of 5 states, Jammu and Kashmir, Meghalaya, Goa, Odisha and Bihar, died? Satyapal Malik. Under what name did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated first common center secretariat building under Central Vista project? Kartabya Bhavan. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina 2.0 promoting higher education? Assam. On the birth centenary of Bharat and Dr. M. Swaminathan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi honored whom with the first MS Swaminathan Food and Peace Award? Dr. Eri Nare, Nigerian scientist. US President Donald Trump announced an additional 25% tariff on India, citing Russian oil purchases, taking total tariff to what percent? 50%. RBI has given in principle approval to which first small finance bank of India to become universal bank? AU Small Finance Bank. Under what name OpenAI has officially launched most advanced AI model of ChatGPT, ChatGPT 5. The World Health Organization has officially classified which hepatitis virus as a carcinogen? Hepatitis D. With which theme National Handloom Day 2025 was celebrated in India? Handloom empowerment of women, empowerment of the nation. Which state celebrated Sustainable Agriculture Day on the birth anniversary of MS Swaminathan? Maharashtra. World Breastfeeding Week 2025 was celebrated on with which theme? Prioritize breastfeeding, build sustainable support system. The government of India has extended the electric vehicle incentive program Pradhan Mantri Electric Drive Revolution in Innovation Vehicle Enhancement till which date? 31 March 2028. Which two countries of the Caucasus region signed historic peace deal with Donald Trump at the White House, ending the decade-long conflict over Nagorno-Karabakh? Azerbaijan and Armenia. Indian Railways set a record of successfully operating Asia's longest freight train from Ganj Khwaja station to Garwa Road station of East Central Railway. What is its name? Rudrashtra. Indian Council of Medical Research has launched nationwide student outreach program by what name? Science Health Innovation for Next Gen Explorers. Union Cabinet has approved implementation of which scheme of 4200 crore in 275 technical institutions to enhance research, innovation and employment skills in India? Merite, multidisciplinary education and research reform in technical education. Who has been appointed by Zomato as its new brand ambassador? Shahrukh Khan. Who has been awarded as the UNDP Equator Prize 2025, also known as Nobel Prize of Biodiversity Conservation? बीबी फातिमा जो इंडिया की हैं. वेयर has the country's first animal stem cell biobank has been opened? National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, Hyderabad. Who has become the India's first miscellaneous non-banking financial company to cross 1 lakh crore turnover? Kerala State Finance Enterprises, KSRF. Which country has become declared free of human African trypanosomaniasis known as sleeping sickness by World Health Organization? Kenya. On which date was World Sanskrit Day celebrated? 9 August. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated India's longest distance Vande Bharat train running by which route? Pune to Ajni Nagpur. Which state has become the first state to implement Disha Abhiyan to provide uniform quality education to students with intellectual disability? Maharashtra. Which state has launched Nari Adalat on occasion of its first Amman Samman Divas? Sikkim. Mini Ratna Engineering and Manufacturing Limited BEML Limited has got its first foreign contract on the rail and metro sector from which country? Malaysia. New Zealand rare blue pink gill mushroom has been discovered in which forest of Telangana? Kagaz Nagar. President of which country? Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. made a 5-day visit to India from 7 August? Philippines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 4 newly built multi-story apartments for members of parliament on Baba Kharak Singh Marg in Delhi, named after Krishna Godavari, Kosi and Hooghly, named after 4 rivers of India. Which area of Rajasthan a 40-day cultural and spiritual festival of Bhil tribe Gawri Mahotsav 2025 started? Mewar. Which country has declared Balochistan Liberation Army and its terrorist wing Majide Brigade as a foreign terrorist organization? America. India has banned the import of certain jute products and rope goods from which country? Bangladesh. Which country has formally announced recognition of a state of Palestine? Australia and France. Which board has approved open book examination for class 9 students for academic year 26-27? CBSE. Rare and constitutional significant development, the judicial history of the country. The Lok Sabha has accepted the impeachment against which judge of the Allahabad High Court? Justice Yaswant Verma. Union Cabinet has approved how many new semiconductor projects under India Semiconductor Mission? 4. Who has been selected as ICC Men's and Women's Player of the Month for month of July? Suman Gill and Sophia Dunkley, England की हैं. Where was India's first drone AI powered artificial rain experimented? Jaipur Ramgarh Dam. Where did Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Tamil Nadu Forest Department organize World Elephant Day, Coimbatore? The Union Health Ministry has unveiled the State Health Regulatory Excellence Index by what name? SREST. How many medals did India boxing team under 19 and under 22 win in Asian Boxing Championship 27? The Union Cabinet has approved Tattoo 2 हाइड्रोपावर प्रोजेक्ट वर्थ 8,140 करोड़ इन विच स्टेट? अरुणाचल प्रदेश. इंटरनेशनल यूथ डे 2025 was celebrated on 12 August with which theme? Local youth actions for SDG and beyond. With what theme World Elephant Day 2025 was celebrated on 12 August, bringing the world together to help elephants. The central government has announced to build two more defense industrial corridor on which state after Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu to promote India's self-reliance? Maharashtra and Assam. Where was India Singapore Ministerial Round Table Conference was held? New Delhi. Which state government has banned the use of word Harijan in its official communication? Odisha. Which has become the first central government hospital in country to receive full certificate for NAV? Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital and Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Medical Science, Delhi. How much percent discount has Indian Railways introduced in the basic return fare on round trip booking during festive season 2025? 20%. What is the name of AI tool launched by Union Ministry of Panchayati Raj on August to improve Gram Sabha proceedings? Sabhasar. Who was awarded as the Sarvottam Yudh Seva Medal on 14 August for their significant role in Operation Sindoor? Air Marshal Avdesh Bharti and three others. What scheme worth 1 lakh crore was launched by Prime Minister Modi on 15 August to create 3.5 crore jobs? Pradhan Mantri Vikasil Bharat Rozgar Yojana. What is the name of indigenous technology initiative launched by 15 to secure India's critical establishments of Mission Sudarshan Chakra? Which public sector bank launched collateral free loan of 4 lakh for Agniveers? SBI. At which famous American landmark was the Indian national flag hoisted for first time on India's 79th Independence Day? Space Needle, Seattle. Which country were apricots from Ladakh Kargil district exported for first time on 15 August? Saudi Arabia. What was record duration of speech delivered by PM Modi from Red Fort on India's 79th Independence Day? 103 minutes. Indian Postal Department released commemorative item on 15 August to mark the 50th anniversary of which film? Sole. Who won the Quant Box Chennai Grand Master 2025 title on 15 August? Vincent Kimmer. Which state government La Ganesan passed? Which state's governor La Ganesan passed away on 15 August? Manipur, Nagaland. What was the theme for India's 79th Independence Day celebration? Bharat at 24/7 preparing for the centenary of independence. Of in which state was a state-of-the-art space laboratory inaugurated in Mechuka, Arunachal Pradesh? A film by Neeraj Ghayan won Best Film and Best Director at the Indian Film Festival of Melbourne, Homebound. For which year's Commonwealth Game did India officially place bid? Year 2030. Which football club has declared the most valuable in world? Real Madrid. A cricket legend and coach from which country passed away? Australia. Whom did NDA nominate as its candidate for the vice presidential election? CP Radhakrishnan, Governor of Maharashtra. Whom did opposition parties nominate as their candidate for vice presidential election? B. Sudarshan, former Supreme Court judge. Where did Indian Railways launch India's first removable solar panel system between tracks? Banaras Locomotive Works, Varanasi. Which state government launched Shram Shri Yojana for migrant workers? West Bengal. The largest supplier of Apple Foxconn from which country started production of iPhone 17 at its new Bangalore plant? Taiwan. Where was where were first ever World Humanoid Robot Games 2025 held? Beijing, China. What is the name of initiative launched by Ministry of Tribal Affairs to empower tribal communities? Adi Karmayogi Abhiyan. Where in Rajasthan did the Union Cabinet approve the new Greenfield Airport? Kota Bundi. How many light combat aircraft Tejas Mark 1A jets did the Indian government approve for the IAF? 97. In which city Assam did the Lok Sabha pass a bill to establish an IIM? Guwahati. Who win the title of Miss Universe 2025 India in Jaipur? Manika Biswakarma, जो कि राजस्थान की है. What was the theme for World Photography Day celebrated? My favorite picture. What was the theme for World Humanitarian Day? Strengthening global solidarity and empowering local communities. Which constitutional amendment bill introduced in August proposed automatic removal of ministers facing serious criminal charges? 130th Amendment Bill. Which medium range ballistic missile did India successfully test fire from Chandipur, Odisha? Agni 5. What new name was approved for the Jalalabad Tehsil, Saharanpur, UP by the central government? Parshuram Puri. Which two significant day was observed on 20 August? Sadbhavana Divas and Akshay Urja Divas. Which country was elected president of the executive board of Asia Pacific Institute for Broadcasting Development during its conference? India. Which state announced 21 August that it has become first in the country to achieve full digital literacy? Kerala. Which 2 days were celebrated on 21 August on what was the theme for the World Senior Citizens Day? World Entrepreneurs Day and World Senior Citizen Day. Where did OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, announce the opening of its first Indian office? New Delhi. In which three cities did the Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority announce new regional offices to boost agriculture exports? Patna, Raipur, and Dehradun. Under whose leadership did central government form panel to advance next generation economic reforms for the goals of developed India? Rajiv Gauba. With which country's company Safran did India partner to manufacture jet engines for next generation fighter aircraft? France. Where did Prime Minister lay foundation stone for the 7.2 km 6-lane elevated Kona Expressway? Howrah, West Bengal. Where did the Prime Minister inaugurate Homi Bhabha Cancer Hospital and Research Center? Muzaffarpur. Until which year has the central government extended the fortified rice scheme under PM Posan to combat anemia and malnutrition? Year 2028. What is the purpose of online gaming bill purchase which was approved by the President Murmu on 22 August to promote e-sports and ban games involving money? Which city topped IMD's Global Smart City Index published on 22 August? Zurich. Which famous Punjabi comedian and actor passed away in Mohali? Jaswinder Bhalla. Where was the first Khelo India Water Sports Festival held? Dal Lake. Where was first ever Asian Open short track space skating trophy held in India? Dehradun. Whom did US President Donald Trump appoint as the US ambassador to India and a special envoy for South and Central Asian affairs? Sergio Gore. Who successfully conducted the flight test of integrated air defense weapon system of the coast of Odisha? DRDO. Which great player's statue was unveiled at the Mumbai's Wankhede Stadium? Sunil Gavaskar. Whom did Northeast United FC defeat to win Durand Cup? Diamond Harbour. What day was celebrated on 23 August? National Space Day. Where did ISRO successfully complete first integrated airdrop test for Gaganyaan mission on 24 August? Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. Who was appointed as the new Deputy National Security Advisor? Anis Dayal Singh, former DG of CRPF and ITBP. Which Indian batsman retired from all forms of cricket? Cheteshwar Pujara. Under whose chairmanship were high-level committee formed to commemorate the anniversary of Sardar Patel, Birsa Munda and Atal Bihari Vajpayee? Narendra Modi. By what name did PM Modi launch Maruti Suzuki first India-made battery electric vehicle in Hansalpur, Gujarat? E-Vitara. Who has taken over the managing director of the CEO of IndusInd Bank? Rajiv Anand. Who was appointed as the vice president and chief risk officer of the New Development Bank? Rajiv Ranjan. For which country did Indian Post Payment Department temporarily suspend International Postal Service? America. Who won the gold medal in 48 kg category at the Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship? Mirabai Chanu. Which country's Prime Minister Sitiveni Rabuka visited India on 24 August? Fiji. Indian Navy launched which two state-of-the-art Project 17 and Nilgiri class warship together for the first time in Visakhapatnam? INS Udaygiri and INS Himgiri. Two advanced Project 17A stealth frigate were launched for Indian Navy in Visakhapatnam on August. They are INS Udaygiri and INS Himgiri. Two initiatives of UN General Assembly announced to shape international cooperation on AI, scientific panel on AI and global dialogue on AI governance. What is the name of the project launched by NHAI to support the educational aspirations of children of Toll Plaza? Aroham. Which Indian city did FIDE announce the hosting of Chess World Cup 2025? Panji. Which day was celebrated on 26 August? Women's Equality Day. Until which date the Union Cabinet extended the loan period of PM Swanidhi scheme? 31 मार्च 2030. यूनियन मिनिस्टर जितेंद्र सिंह लॉन्च बायो E3 चैलेंज फॉर द यूथ. What does Bio E3 stand for? Biotechnology for Economy, Environment and Employment. From which city did Union Cabinet approve the bid to host Commonwealth Games 2030? Ahmedabad. Who was appointed as the non-executive chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Bank? S. Krishnan. Where was the second global spiritual tourism conference named Romantic held? Ujjain. Which country passed the law on 27 August to ban mobile phones in school classrooms? South Korea. Which Indian cricket legend announced his retirement from the IPL? रविचंद्रन अश्विन। वेयर डे व्हाट डे वाज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 27 अप्रैल 2025 वर्ल्ड लेक डे। इन विच स्टेट वेयर यू स्पेशल बसेस फॉर कॉलेज स्टूडेंट लॉन्च? Delhi. In which state was the harvest festival Nuakhai celebrated? Odisha. Where was India's first semiconductor assembly and testing facility launched? Sanand, Gujarat. In which country did India participate in the exercise Bright Star 2025, the largest multinational military exercise in the Middle East, scheduled on 28 August? Egypt. After receiving permission from Home Ministry, what name did the UP government give to the Vindhyachal railway station? Vindhyachal Dham railway station. With whom did ICC partnership to promote women's cricket and expand its reach in global stage? Google. Where was the 15th India Japan annual summit held in August? Tokyo. Who was appointed as the executive director of the International Monetary Fund? Urjit Patel, former RBI governor. With which company did Indian Postal Department partner to implement DG PIN Map My India? Which state topped the state energy efficiency index? Maharashtra. Which state government launched Mukhyamantri Mahila Rozgar Yojana to provide 10,000 for women self-employment? Bihar. Who was appointed as the High Commissioner of India to Canada? Dinesh Patnaik. Where did Hero Men's Asia Cup hockey begin? Rajgir. What was the theme of National Sports Day celebrated on 29 August in memory of Major Dhyan Chand? Sports to promote peaceful and inclusive society. Which two countries did Narendra Modi visit from August 29? Japan and China. Finance Ministry issued a notification allowing the what percent of foreign direct investment in insurance sector? 100%. By what name did Ministry of Tribal Affairs launch India's first AI-powered translator for tribal language? Adi Vani. Where did Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw inaugurate India's first mobile tempered glass factory? Noida. Where was India's first multi-lane free-flow toll system launched? NH48, Gujarat. In which sector did India and Japan sign agreement in Tokyo? Defense, Digital, Clean Energy and Culture. Where was Defense Equipment and Drone Manufacturing Unit inaugurated? Noida. What was observed on 30 August, National Small Industry Day? In which Indian organization has received Raman Magsaysay Award 2025? Educate Girls. Foundation to Educate Girls Globally. How many medals did India win to secure first place at 16th Asian Shooting Championship? In Kazakhstan, 99 medals. Whose latest book, The Chola Tigers Avengers of Somnath, was unveiled on 31 August? Amit Tripathi. Who won the bronze medal in doubles event at BWF World Badminton Championship 2025 in Paris? Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy and Chirag Shetty.